Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Honda XL 750 Transalp first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The legendary name returns with the all-new 2023 Honda XL 750 Transalp. Intended to slide into the slot between the Honda CB500X and Africa Twin 1100, the new Transalp is powered by the new 755cc parallel twin that first broke cover with the Honda CB750 Hornet last month. Like the Hornet, the new Transalp is not confirmed for the United States yet. However, there's no reason we can't prepare for what we hope is inevitable, and that means a good long first look. We will let Honda R&D Japan Transalp large project leader Masatoshi Sato set the table. With our new Transalp, we looked hard at what made the first model so good and wanted to strike the right balance between urban agility, long distance, on-road touring comfort, and off-road ability. In arriving where we are, we have considered all these aspects in a 360-degree way and created a bike that gives riders of all experience levels a fresh new option in the Honda range. The look revives the classic Transalp presence in a modern key. The new engine is incredibly strong and versatile, and the bike has an appealingly long and rich specification list. The new motor gets unique tuning for the 2023 Honda XL 750 Transalp application. Mechanically, the power plant is identical to what we told you about for the Hornet. The 755cc parallel twin is liquid-cooled and has a Unicum 4-valve top end, which means the single cam acts directly on the intake valves and via rockers on the exhaust valves. The 91 horsepower peak comes at 9,500 revolution per minute on the decisively over-square motor, and torque tops out at 55 foot-pounds at 7,250 revolution per minute, the same numbers as on the Hornet. However, the Transalp delivers the power differently. Although Honda isn't saying, we suspect that means a softer, dirt, and touring-friendly delivery, rather than the sporting punch you would want on the street-only Hornet. Also, the heavier Transalp would need more low revolution per minute torque than the Hornet to get underway easily. The motor's 270-degree firing order will be advantageous off pavement, while feeling good on the street. This setup mimics a V-twin's feel and power delivery while allowing engineers to go with the parallel twin configuration. The 6-speed transmission works in conjunction with an assist and slipper clutch. A quickshifter is optional, and there won't be a dual clutch transmission, at least initially. Ride-by-wire allows Honda to give the Transalp more sophisticated electronics. A 5-inch thin-film transistor dash keeps tabs on what the motorcycle is up to. The dash will also interact with your smartphone and helmet headset via Bluetooth and Honda smartphone voice control software. You'll be able to monitor texts, phone calls, music, and navigation. You can have it your way, as there are multiple display options to select from. The 2023 Honda XL 750 Transalp's off-road intentions are signaled by the wheelset. That's a 21-inch front wheel and 18-incher in the back, with the hoops connected to the hubs by wire spokes. Pure off-road. That wheel size combination gives the rider access to a wide variety of off-road friendly street tires and race off-road only rubber. Off-roaders will want to swap out the standard Metzeler Karoo Street or Dunlop Trailmax Mixtor tires. If you stick to the street, for the most part, the stock tires will treat you right. The all-new frame is a traditional diamond style and made of steel. The subframe is not removable, and the entire Transalp frame weighs 4 pounds less than the CB500X frame. Showa handles the suspension duties. The separate function fork cartridge is non-adjustable and has nearly 8 inches of travel. The triple clamps mix a forged aluminum bottom clamp and cast aluminum top clamp for optimized flexibility and strength. The shock has spring-preload adjustment and moderates 7.5 inches of wheel travel with the help of a linkage system and aluminum swing arm. The longest travel suspension gives the Transalp 8.3 inches of ground clearance. A skid plate and center stand are optional. The standard seat height is 33.5 inches. An optional seat lowers the perch to 32.3 inches. Braking is handled by a pair of 310mm wave discs in the front with traditionally mounted 2-piston calipers. As we mentioned earlier, there are 2 levels of 2-wheel anti-lock braking system, plus front-wheel only anti-lock braking system. With a 4.5-gallon fuel tank and an estimated fuel consumption rate of 54 miles per gallon, you quite possibly can get over 200 miles between visits to a filling station. To keep things smooth during touring runs, the 755cc motor has an innovative lightweight counterbalancing system. Honda did away with the balancer drive gear by having the primary drive gear spin the balance shaft. This saved weight and kept the new motor more compact. The electrical system uses a controller area network and a body control unit. This can make adding electrical accessories easier if the accessory is controller area network friendly. If not, the process can be more complicated. There are 5 optional packs to choose from to help tailor the 2023 Honda XL 750 Transalp to your needs. America hasn't had a Transalp since 1990, so we're overdue. The only Transalp that made it to the United States was the 1989 XL 600V, which only lasted 2 years in the lineup. It seems like a perfect time to bring the 2023 Honda XL 750 Transalp to the US to keep the CB500X and Africa Twin Company. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.